You need some chicken. Now I have washed my chicken. Marinate with some spices and put a lid on it and maybe refrigerate it for some maybe 20-30 minutes while your oil gets hot. Heat your pan for medium and some till the water evaporates. When the pan is searing hot and the bubbles are disco dancing, that is when you know time to put the oil on the chicken inside the pan. Panning camera. No, not that pan. Poured my oil. I put a tester chicken. You can always test how hot your oil is. This is the perfect temperature for you to drop them chickens. What's supposed to make you more happy than a pan full of frying chicken? You gotta tell me, boss. Another pot of quinoa at the back. Chicken boiling fiercely. Quinoa even more. And boom, my quinoa and chicken plate is ready. Oh my god, look at that chicken.